Yesterday you pruned weak rows and rescored your queue. Today, day 5. You're halfway through week 1. 5 briefings in, and today you cross the 5-topic threshold. That's the minimum runway you need before week 2 scripting begins. But volume without readiness is still a backlog. Today you add topic 5 and promote your second ready row. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 scored topics, 2 script-ready ideas, and a clear plan for days 6 and 7. Research week is entering the home stretch. Why 5 topics minimum? Week 2 starts day 8 with Claude writing your first script. That takes 1 ready topic. You'll publish that video around day 10 to 14. You need a second ready topic queued for the following week and 3 more researching topics as backup. 5 rows gives you 2 weeks of publishing runway plus flexibility if one topic goes stale. Channels that hit day 8 with 1 topic scramble for ideas under pressure. Channels with 5 start week 2 calm. 5 isn't arbitrary, it's the minimum buffer between research discipline and production rhythm. Step 1, Briefing 5 and Priority Check. Run your 9 a.m. briefing. Save as briefing day 5. Open Trend Tracker. Your priority trends from day 4 should now have 4 or 5 appearances. If a trend dropped off only 1 appearance in the last 2 days, downgrade it from priority to watch. Markets move fast. A trend that dominated Monday can fade by Friday. Update action column accordingly. Your week theme should still hold after 5 briefings. If it fractured into 3 unrelated themes, pick the dominant one and update the banner. Consistency in week 1 builds subscriber expectations in week 4. Step 2, add topic 5. Pull candidates from today's briefing weighted toward your strongest priority trend. Run the 3 filters and competitive gap check. Add the winner as row 5. 5 rows in your queue. Run the variety check one more time. 5 topics should cover at least 2 subthemes within your week theme, not 5 copies of the same video. For an AI productivity channel, that's tools, workflows, and planning, not 5 and 8 in tutorials unless you're running an intentional series. Tag each row with a subtheme column to visualize coverage gaps before day 7. Step 3, promote your second ready topic. Take priority rank 2 from your scored queue. Run the same verification pass from day 3, every claim accurate today, sources cited, counter-argument addressed. If it passes, set status to ready and assign target publish week to week 2 as backup. You now have 2 ready topics. That's your week 2 scripting queue for days 8 and 9. Rank 3 stays researching unless it scores above 70, then promote it 2. Getting 3 ready by day 7 is ambitious but ideal. 2 ready by day 5 puts you ahead of schedule. Step 4, Subtheme Coverage Map. Add a subtheme column if you haven't. Tag every row. Count coverage. If 4 of 5 topics tag as automation, you're thin on research and planning content. Swap or add a candidate that fills the gap on day 6. This map prevents your channel from feeling one-dimensional in week 3. Future flow tags every topic as tool deep dive, workflow tutorial, planning system, or stack overview. Balanced tags across 5 rows means balanced content across 5 videos. 5 minutes now saves 5 videos of audience fatigue later. Day 5 complete. 5 briefings, 5 topics, 2 ready rows, trend tracker current, subthemes mapped. Days 6 and 7 add topics 6 and 7 if gaps remain, promote a third ready if scores support it, and run a final week 1 audit. By day 7 close, 5 to 7 scored topics, at least 2 ready, subtheme balance checked, week theme confirmed. That's your complete research runway into Claude week. Tonight's homework, read both ready topics aloud. If either sounds boring to you, it'll sound boring to viewers. Re-angle before day 8. Tune in tomorrow, day 6 of the 30-day plan. Subscribe if you want more practical AI workflow breakdowns.